Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a little cozy like fall morning vlog. It's currently 9:15 in the morning and I have a lot to do today. I actually have my sister's baby shower today, which will be a separate vlog, so that's why I'm just doing this in the morning. But yeah, it's a pretty gloomy day, unfortunately, on that aspect, but luckily for this video, because you know it's bringing all that kind of fall and cozy vibes for this video, which is why I thought I would film it. So I'm going to be sharing with you some stuff that I got from Trader Joe's yesterday, as well as how I made this coffee. I'm also just going to be decorating a little bit around my apartment, just putting up a few little autumny things as you already see, but I still have a few more things just to add, as well as like putting like a little flower arrangement or like these like leaf arrangements that I got from Trader Joe's that you guys will see. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these kind of like fall videos, this is my first one for the season. I know I have some in the past, but definitely give this one a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, definitely subscribe it down below. And if you like to keep up with me in real time while I'm not here on YouTube, definitely follow me over on Instagram, and I will also have my TikTok link down below. So first we're going to start off with how I made this delicious coffee that is so good. This is my little DIY pumpkin spice latte at home. So I'm going to share now with you guys how I made that and what I used to make it. So guys, that was my little pumpkin spice latte recipe. I do like the iced pumpkin spice latte also. I make that a lot, so you guys might see that in an upcoming video. But today, of course, I felt for the hot one because, you know, it's a chilly, gloomy day, so it just fit the cozy fall vibes. But now I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up from Trader Joe's recently, because one of the items I'm going to be making for breakfast. So first, let me share that with you guys, so you can see what they have there for this fall season, which they had a ton of things. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so this is just going to be all the fall items that I found at Trader Joe's, which was quite a few things, but I'm really excited about them. And like some of them I've already used, so I'll let you know about those, which I don't have on camera for me right now. Sorry about my hair. I got it done last night and it's just really poofy right now. Of course, I'm going to be retouching it when I get ready in the other vlog, but yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to start with like the food and snack stuff. So the first thing I picked up was the mini maple flavored marshmallows, and these I actually saw in Brianna Tata's video. If you guys follow her here on YouTube, I saw her pick these up and make like a hot chocolate with them, and these look so good just because like they're maple flavored. That just sounds really delicious, so I decided to pick that up. They are also gluten-free and vegan, so as you guys know, I don't think regular marshmallows are vegan because of like the gelatin that they use from animal bones. Won't get into that, but yeah, I'm excited to try that with some hot chocolate when it gets to that time. Next, I picked up these pumpkin spice batons. They're just delicate rolled wafers filled with pumpkin spice, and these would be really nice to like dip in your coffee. Like I could totally have one in my coffee right now if I wanted to, but I didn't try this yet, so I don't know exactly how they taste, but I just thought because it was pumpkin flavored, it would be nice to try. And as you can see, they have their little pumpkin spice latte next to it, so I'm excited to try that out. Next isn't really a fall item, but I feel like it's like sorry, I have to keep refocusing my camera, but it is just these double chocolate croissants, which as you guys have seen in my past videos, I've used the regular croissants, but this one's like a double chocolate, so I thought that would be exciting to try because I do like chocolate, like flavored like pastries, not really like chocolate candy, but this looked really good. And the next one I picked up is what I'm going to be having for breakfast today and trying, which is the Trader Joe's pumpkin cheesecake croissants. So it comes with 2 of them. It just looks like this, and it looks like really flaky and buttery, and I'm going to put these in the air fryer and see how they turn out. Usually I put the croissants in my air fryer and they turn out great, so we'll try out these in there. Next, for food item, I'm going to put a little picture here because I finished it all already, and it is just the pumpkin spice brioche bread from Trader Joe's, and I've already eaten 2 packs of it, which is really bad probably, but it's just so good. I eat it by itself because it's literally like a dessert to me, but it is so good. I definitely need to get another one because I haven't had enough of it. It is so delicious. So it has like a little cinnamon layer in the middle, or like pumpkin spice, but to me it just tastes like cinnamon rolls basically, but it is so good and I highly recommend picking up one for yourself. Now getting into the non like food stuff, I'm also going to insert like a little video clip of 2 items that I got the last Trader Joe's trip, and one of them is the vanilla pumpkin candle, which I've been lighting and it's been smelling really good, and the other are these, I think they're mums is what they are, just in this beautiful like orange like rusty color, which I thought was really nice for the fall and just really made my space feel more fall-like. Then on my recent trip yesterday, I picked up these Trader Joe's scented candle tin trios. It comes in the scent autumn leaves, maple sugar, and spice chai. It just looks like this, and it is such a great set for like a gift bag or something. Like if you want to get someone a gift, this is great if they love like fall scents. This was only $9, which I think was a great price for this set because the candles are a decent size. Like I thought they were going to be like really like thin, but they actually aren't. If I can open it, they're like really nice mini candle size. So, and they smell great. The spice chai I think is going to be my favorite, but that was such like a great price for this. So definitely run to Trader Joe's and check this out because you get a lot for your money. So the last item that I have to share is some more like floral or like leafy sort of item, which you'll be seeing me put together after this, but it is just this like bouquet or this leaf branch set of magnolia. Now I might be dumb, but I did not know this is what magnolia is, you know, like earth hand and magnolia. I did not know this is what they were talking about, but now I know. And to me it feels so fake, like it's like velvet on the back of each leaf, but it's real. I'm like, how is that even possible? But obviously I got it for a reason because of the colors. It just screams fall. I don't know if I'm supposed to put like water with it, but I'm just gonna do it, see what happens. But so far it's been doing pretty well overnight. But yeah, you'll be seeing me put this together a little bit later when I decorate a bit. But yeah, that was my little Trader Joe's fall haul. They had a ton of great stuff, and I highly recommend you guys running over there because you know how Trader Joe's easily switches stuff out. I don't know if by November they'll be having like the Christmas stuff out, so definitely check out these stuff now if you guys are interested. But now I'm going to make one of these and see how they turn out because I'm hungry and they just look really delicious. So let's head over to my air fryer. So guys, this is how the little pumpkin cheesecake pastry turned out. I'm going to take a bite. It's probably pretty hot, but you know, I just want to taste test it for you guys because I'm just going to devour it right after this. But it's really crispy and buttery, as you guys can see. Like, look at that. Sorry, my camera is like all messed up, but let's see. I'm sure I have flakes all over my mouth, but that is delicious. So I'm gonna go and watch like a couple of YouTube videos, probably some vlogtobers, eat this, and then afterwards we're gonna set up like the little magnolia arrangement and add a little few decorations, and then that will be this vlog. So let me go and enjoy this little cheesecake croissant, and I will see you guys in a minute. So guys, I just finished eating my breakfast. It was really delicious, and watching some vlogtobers, specifically Sunbeam's Jess. I feel like she's the queen of vlogtober, and I'm so happy that she's doing it this year. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing a little decorating. I already have a bunch of stuff up, which I guess I'll run through really quickly to show you what I have. But just like my little dresser area, and then just above my like stove, I just want to add a couple things, as well as putting the like magnolia arrangement together. I don't know where I want to put that, I'll see. But let me just show you on top of my TV what I have going on so far. So I kind of hate it because I don't know what I was doing, and I don't want to use all my decor. I want to get rid of some of them. But I just have like this pumpkin that I got from Target. It's kind of beat up, but it's in black to match the black candles. Then I have this autumn sign that I think I got from Target also, or it could have been Five Below, not sure, but you know, matches the mirror. And then I have this Oktoberfest like bear can candle that my sister makes. I'll link her Etsy down below. I just have this black vase. These are from my bird of paradise plant that died, and I thought to put them there, but I don't know if I like them. So I don't know if I'm going to put the magnolia leaves up here just to add a little bit better like flair to it, and kind of add the green into, you know, with the plants and stuff, so it doesn't look too weird. And then over here, I used to have this table on the other side of the couch, but the way I situated my entire apartment, it's completely different, so I have like more living space. But I just have these flowers, which I picked up from Trader Joe's. They're the mums that I was talking about. Such a beautiful color. They've been doing really well. Don't know if I like this vase for it, because I want like a more like, you know, fall style vase, but for now that works. Then I just had this like little tray with my like the Shining coasters that I got for Christmas this year. I had these little pumpkins that I think might have been from Target. No, these were from TJ Maxx. They came in a set of 3. I don't know where the third one is, but for now I like these colors together. And then this was the candle I was talking about that you guys might have seen, and it is just the Trader Joe's pumpkin vanilla, or vanilla pumpkin scented candle, which is really good. And I just have my little electric lighter here. So I'm just going to do an overview of all the other decor that I have, and then we'll share setting it up. So this is the rest of the decor that I thought about putting up. Not too much, but I just have like this gold skull, some pumpkins from Target. These are 2 real pumpkins I got from Trader Joe's. This hand that I think I got from the dollar section at Target. It's a little broken, but you could put like a little tea light candle in there. This wreath that I recently picked up from Target, and then these 2 like Halloween type storage like book looking boxes that I got from TJ Maxx, I believe, or Marshall's. So yeah, I'm gonna put these together, and you'll see that little montage and see how everything goes. But first I'm gonna set up the magnolia bouquet. Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change,
but your face remained the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time.
So guys, I just finished decorating, as you guys seen. I kind of like how the floral, like the magnolia arrangement turned out. My apartment is still a little bit messy, so I think that's what's throwing it off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning cozy fall vlog. I just, like I said, thought I would do it today because the weather has been nice and gloomy, and it's just the perfect setting for this type of video. So of course I'll probably be filming some more fall stuff coming up, but in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.